Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question 20, Part B. When x is increased by a factor of 4, the value of y changes by a factor of p. As y is proportional to 1 over square root x, we can write y equals k over square root x, where k is the constant of proportionality. When x increases by a factor of 4, the new value of x becomes 4x. Substituting 4x into our formula, y equals k over square root of 4x. Using the rules of square roots, we can split the denominator into square root 4 multiplied by square root x. As square root 4 equals 2, the formula becomes y equals k over 2 square root x. We can rewrite this fraction to separate the constant factor, giving us y equals 1 over 2 multiplied by k over square root x. Since k over square root x is our original y, this simplifies to y equals 1 over 2 multiplied by y. This shows that the value of y changes by a factor of 1 over 2. Hence, the value of p is 1 over 2, which is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with others. Have a nice day.